Okay, so I went grocery shopping today and I just realized I forgot to put it back in the fridge when I got back. So I'm gonna give you a little grocery shopping haul. My sourdough bread. I only got half a loaf because it goes bad within like, what's the word? It goes bad within like the week, so I don't eat an entire loaf of sourdough. Fresh mozzarella and blueberries. And this, it's a Bloody Mary / Caesar River for my brother. Anyway, the point of this video is tomorrow's my birthday. Yay. So I was supposed to originally have plans, but my friend canceled because she has a final tomorrow that she forgot about when she agreed to them. So I don't have any plans for my birthday. So I'm gonna go buy myself a birthday cake because I don't want to make one. So you're gonna come with me. So the elevator ride down was the worst freaking elevator ride of my life, bruh. Someone got on every single floor, and I live on the top. It was so full, and they just kept getting on. And someone smelled really bad. Part is that we both know what happened to you. Why not on your own? Merry Christmas, please don't go. Oh my god, it is so cold out. So basically, I was driving to Dairy Queen and I was past Superstore and I was like, oh my god, I want candles. So I went in. Their candle selection, ass. I found candles I wanted. I was like, oh my gosh, these gold balloons are so cute. But they literally didn't have a 2. Any 2 in either gold or silver. TSPMO. It's like everyone turning 2 or 20 because they had a bunch of zeros, so I'm gonna assume everyone's turning 2. So I got pink candles. Na 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 na. So, I was gonna film me trying to pick what kind of ice cream cake to get, but the lady was hovering me in Dairy Queen. So I got, there she is. I'll show it to you better once I get back to my apartment. But I got cookie dough blizzard ice cream cake, and I also went to Chipotle. Okay, here's my cake. I don't want to wreck it. Anyway, it just is, it's cookie dough blizzard, and it just says happy birthday on it in pink because it matches my candles. And I'll show you my Chipotle. I like actually crushed it a little bit when I got it in my car after picking up my cake. This is my bowl. Yeah, it's just rice, beans, chicken, a little bit of queso, corn salsa, tomato salsa, lettuce, cheese, and a little bit of guacamole. I don't know if I'm gonna eat all of it though. I'm really not I haven't been feeling the best lately, so I'm really not that hungry. Oh, and I also got the orange mandarin fresca, I think is what it's called. It's my birthday! So what am I doing for my birthday? Oops. My birthday, you may be asking. Right now, I'm going to get McDonald's for breakfast. I wasn't gonna, but I needed it. I needed this. McDonald's has been acquired. Also, if you can see all of the empty McDonald's bags on my floor, no you can't. I'm so bored. I literally should be studying, but I don't want to. It's my birthday. But I guess I could go for a walk. Go for a walk. Maybe get my free coffee from Starbucks. Currently pulling up the grade calculator. I just calculated my grade for what I needed, my grade for my psychology class, which I have the final for tomorrow, and now I found out what grade I need to get the grade I want. And I need to get an 84. Guys, I haven't even gotten anywhere near that on any of the midterms. Fuck. Let's see what I need for anthro. So I just found out that my anthro professor doesn't have the grade distribution posted. So I have no idea what my letter grade is. Which is just lovely. So I have no idea what I need to get. I'm going to scream. And then in my other class, my other two classes, I can't calculate what I got because my professor has not posted a single grade. I'm gonna scream. Genuinely. Fuck. I need to get an 80 on the econ exam to keep my grade where it is. This is gonna be bad, guys. Finals week or my final week. I'm leaning towards the latter. It's your birthday, so you know you wanna ride. Bro, whose vibrator is that? You know it's getting serious when the headphones come on and the sweater comes off. This is such a boring birthday vlog. It's just me studying most of the time. Anyway, right now I'm gonna go through all my definitions. My roommate and I have had to separate ourselves from each other because we can't focus if we're in the same room. So I'm in my room, he's in his. And yeah, right now I'm going through and writing down the definitions of every single thing. Anyway, but I will get back to my regularly scheduled birthday activities in like 3 hours.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gabby. Happy birthday to you. Oh, one boyfriend! Oh, we should actually... Wait, our fire alarm's gonna go off. Wait, no.
Open a window.
We didn't think this through. We live in an apartment. Bro, I will just eat the cookie crumble.
Pizza toast. Okay, so I didn't film this, but my roommate and I went to Sephora because I wanted my birthday gift. They were sold out. TSPMO. But anyway, I got new eyebrow gel because my Rare Beauty stuff is all out. So this time I went for the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Yeah. I was thinking about maybe getting something else, like something from Rhode. Or I really want the Kosas eye brightener. But I got the cheapest thing. So this was my birthday present for myself. I say as if I didn't just like drop over $200 on hair stuff. But yeah. I think this is it. It's currently 11:02 p.m. on my 20th birthday. It's definitely been a day. Had some highs, had some lows, but I think I'm gonna study until midnight because I have a final at 8:30 tomorrow morning. Okay, so basically I hate the way I ended that video, so thank you so much for spending my birthday with me. I know I didn't do a whole lot and it was kind of boring, but I appreciate it nonetheless. I'll see you next time.